Emotion is energy in motion. It is not good or bad. It is simply information moving through the system. Most people were never taught this. They were taught to suppress emotion, to distract from it, or to explain it away. But suppression does not remove energy. It stores it, and stored energy becomes internal debt. This is why emotional avoidance eventually shows up as anxiety, fatigue, confusion, or reactive behavior today. We restore order by learning how to release emotion without force. First, understand this principle: emotion resists control, but it dissolves under observation. When you try to stop an emotion, it strengthens. When you name it and allow it, it completes its cycle. This is not indulgence, it is regulation. Begin by noticing what you are feeling right now. Do not ask why. Do not explain it. Do not justify it. Simply name it. This is frustration. This is sadness. This is fear. Naming creates separation. Separation restores balance. Now, bring attention to the body. Where is this emotion located? Chest, stomach, throat. Stay with the sensation. Breathe slowly. Inhale through the nose. Exhale gently through the mouth. Do not attempt to change the sensation. Let it move on its own. Most emotions resolve within 60 to 90 seconds when they are fully witnessed. What prolongs emotion is resistance. As the sensation softens, remain still. This stillness is not emptiness. It is integration. This is how the inner ledger clears itself. No affirmations, no positive thinking, no force, just presence. Today's practice is simple. When an emotion arises, pause, name it, breathe, observe. Record what changes, not emotionally, energetically lighter or heavier, clearer or scattered. Order returns when energy is allowed to move.